In this video, I'm going to continue on from the digital output video, and here I'm going to focus in on how to actually configure a digital input to an actual variable, and I'll show a kind of a real world example. Okay, so what I have here is a proximity sensor. It's basically a capacitive, or sorry, an inductive proximity sensor, and you'll see a small little light here on the background that as soon as a metal object comes into contact with it, you'll see he comes on and off, on and off. Okay, so he is wired up into this particular card right here. So this particular card is focused on digital inputs, and if I want to actually look at him in a variable sense, I will see here, it's very hard to make it out here, but it basically says channel number 6. So if I turn this proximity sensor on and off, you'll see where the mouse cursor is there. You'll see a light begin to blink. If you look into the screen, basically that tells me what channel the wire is actually, kind of terminated into. Okay, so I'll go back here, and what we need to do first of all is we need to look at our hardware. So this is the particular guy here, the digital input card. And we can see there's a bunch of addresses, and basically for number 6, it's going to be 0.6. So that's basically the variable that's going to be there from the actual card. So I'm going to go into our DB, and I'm going to create a new guy. He's going to be a boolean, a new variable as such, right, in our program, and I'm going to give him the name of prox1. Okay, so I'll go prox_1 actually. That's what I'll do. Okay, so he's basically live in the program, and then what I'm going to do then is I'm going to bring an input down here, and I'm going to give him the name of, I'm going to call him I0.6. Okay, and I'll hit return. And what will happen is this guy will basically a new variable is, or sorry, a new input tag will be defined as such in the program. So there we'll have it there, and then I'm going to create an output, and the output is going to be our software variable. So if I go in here, and we'll go into IODB, and then we'll go into prox1. So that's basically it. So every time that this proximity sensor goes high, this guy prox1 is going to go high also in our program. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'm just going to basically go up and save the project. Then I'm going to select our particular PLC here, and then I'm going to go software rebuild all. So that's done it, and then I'm going to do a download. So do the download to the PLC, reinitialize, load, then finish if needed also. Perfect. So now I'm going to go online using this monitoring icon here. And effectively I can see that we're on. And basically I'll hold up this ruler here, and we'll see in real time the light come on the back of the proximity sensor. He goes off, he's on, off. You can see that he's been triggered here in real time. Okay, so that is how to do a digital input with the PLC. So I'm going to move on to some of the more advanced features of the PLC in the next video. Thank you very much.